1192, when King Richard the Lionhearted was returning to England from the Crusades, he was captured by his enemy, Leopold of Austria. Richard's brother, Prince John, is not willing to help, but 4 great knights have stepped forward to try to free the king. Wilfrid of Ivanhoe, one of England's best in the tournaments. Cedric of Rotherwood, a leader of men and a skilled negotiator. Geoffrey Longsword, whose swordsmanship is legendary. And Wulfric the Wild, a great leader in the battlefield. Which of these should be chosen as Richard's champion? Cedric of Rotherwood, it is your task to raise the £20,000 sterling necessary to free the king. You decide to travel first to Sherwood Forest to ask for the aid of your old friend Robin of Locksley. Robin promises to help you 3 times during your quest if you should need him. This is your home territory from which you will launch your campaign. These are territories owned by other knights. Most of them are loyal to Prince John and will not be sympathetic to your cause. Good luck. What are your orders, sire? Your army has taken the territory unopposed. At his camp in Sherwood Forest, Robin agrees to help you. He will supply extra men to aid in the coming battle. You've won the battle and the territory is yours.
Your army has taken the territory unopposed.
You've just received word that a Saxon maiden has been kidnapped by one of your enemies. Will you attempt a rescue? At his camp in Sherwood Forest, Robin agrees to your request for help. He and Friar Tuck will accompany you on your raid. Despite your best efforts, you are captured and thrown into the dungeon. But a week later, some of Robin's men break into the castle and free you. You return home to the cheers of your followers. One of your territories is under attack. Your army has taken the territory without opposition.
Choose your opponent.
And so ends your day in the lists of Ashby. Though you did not win, your men respect the effort. There will be other tournaments.